sometimes a younger fella will have a nice little car, he'll make it sound a bit sporty and then change to something else. While an older fella decides that he needs a car just like that, but it's a bit loud. So, what do we do about it? Keep watching to see more. 25th anniversary VY Commodore Series 2 with the 3.8 litre engine. We're not a street machine, we're not the prettiest thing on the road, we don't need to be. Honest, reliable transport. VY Series 2 with a 3.8 litre engine. LS, and because it's not a V8, it is, of course, a V6. Or an Ecotec. And so many of these were made. Oh, we have travelled 412,382 kilometres. That's a bit more than just once or twice around the block, isn't it? Well, underneath it's all very standard. It's got the 2-into-1 OEM catalytic converter, but from here back is a 2.5-inch exhaust system. This is, I believe, redback. Very nice looking band clamp, but that isn't the issue why it's so loud. It is the no rear resonator option. Well, we're going to solve that. I'm not really sure I like the angle of that tip, the way it's fitted, but that gentleman said, can you get rid of that? Okay, easy. You're going to put in a stainless barrel, and it's very, very quick, a simple, easy job, and you will hear it and see it after it is completed. So, hold that thought and we'll get into it. This is a little beastie going on there, the fiberglass still protruding. Always try to get rid of that before you go welding them in. It's just better for it, or the silicon in the fiberglass gets into the metal and makes it brittle. So look down in there, maybe. See if I can give you a bit of zoom. Okay, see the chamber in the middle? That helps to swirl the gases and give it a much sweeter tone. So this has been all prepared, ready to go, apart from the actual welding. It's all buffed around. Always clean where you're going to weld. Go into here and make a tail. Exciting video? Yeah, I didn't think so either. And keep watching. Getting very close to being finished now already. Not a long job at all. So there's the finished product all up, including new locking clips up there. Fully welded all the way around, and of course painted, because even though it's covered in some road grime, it's aluminium coated mild steel there, and when it's welded the aluminium burns off. This is 409 grade stainless steel and chambered, yes. Alright, let's give it a little bit of a sound test back down on the deck, and you'll soon see the comparison. '25th anniversary edition VY Commodore Series 2. Little wheel on the back, but it's not a Hoon's car. The gentleman just wants to be able to drive it and not be way, way loud. Nice and quiet, just like you wanted it. Good stuff.